Wood is a precious resource, and harvesting it properly is an art. Join lumberpro to discover the technology, techniques, and interesting stories behind each tree. Not every tree in the forest can be harvested for commercial timber. Some are hollow, decayed due to pests, or have irregular shapes unsuitable for cutting. Instead of leaving them to take up space and obstruct operations, modern machinery is used to quickly remove them, clearing the way for more valuable trees. Tree grinders are designed to destroy worthless logs. High-speed rotating blades strip off the bark and grind the inner wood into sawdust or wood chips. Large-scale grinders can process an entire tree within minutes, turning it into reusable material for industries like fertilizer, compressed wood, or biofuel. Bulldozers are used to remove large trees or fallen trunks. With a sturdy steel blade and a powerful engine, they can flatten an entire area in a short time, making logging and transportation easier. Some models are even equipped with rippers to shred tree trunks before pushing them aside, minimizing further processing efforts. While grinders and bulldozers efficiently remove unusable trees, caution is needed to avoid damaging valuable ones. Additionally, the use of heavy machinery must be managed properly to prevent negative impacts on the environment and forest ecosystems. The chainsaw has a compact yet powerful design, with a gasoline or electric engine encased in a durable plastic housing, usually in orange or red. The sturdy handle is covered with a non-slip rubber grip, allowing the operator to hold it securely even while wearing gloves. The chainsaw blade consists of a long metal guide bar with a sharp-toothed chain wrapped around it. When the engine runs, the chain spins at high speed, cutting through it effortlessly. An automatic lubrication system reduces friction and extends the lifespan of the blade. The operator grips the handle firmly, gently pressing the throttle to adjust the cutting speed. As the blade makes contact with the tree trunk, the chain starts slicing through, sending sawdust flying. The machine vibrates slightly with each cut, but the anti-vibration system helps maintain control. As the chainsaw operates, the operator maintains a steady stance, positioning the blade at the base of the tree at the right angle. The fast-spinning chain cuts through the bark first, then gradually moves deeper into the solid wood. A screeching sound emerges as the blade encounters dense wood, but the chainsaw continues working without hesitation. Once the cut is deep enough, the operator adjusts the cutting direction to control the fall of the tree. Finally, the trunk splits and crashes to the ground with a loud boom. The chainsaw is an essential tool in the logging industry, offering flexibility and power. It enables fast tree cutting, efficient wood processing, and high productivity. However, for safe operation, users must wear proper protective gear and follow safety guidelines. Massive timber trucks struggle through muddy roads, where every wheel rotation is a battle against nature. The tires sink deep into the thick sludge, spinning endlessly without gaining traction. The driver steps on the gas, trying to break free from the muddy grip, but the road ahead remains slippery and treacherous. Rimming and segmenting prepares the wood for manufacturing into useful products. Technology not only enables faster work, but also optimizes wood resources, reducing waste and maximizing the value of every tree harvested. When log trucks travel through forest roads during the rainy season, the road surface becomes muddy and slippery. The wheels can sink deep into thick mud, causing the truck to lose traction. Sometimes, the wheels spin without moving forward, forcing the driver to use a winch or seek help from a bulldozer to escape the mud pit. The deeper the truck moves into the forest, the more treacherous the road becomes. The thick, sticky mud seems determined to trap the massive wheels. Each time the tires sink, the engine roars fiercely, sending thick plumes of black smoke into the sky. The driver grips the steering wheel tightly, eyes focused ahead, foot pressing hard on the accelerator to conquer the challenge. Logging trucks often carry tens of tons of wood, sometimes exceeding the allowable weight limit. This makes the vehicle's center of gravity unstable, especially on rough roads. A sudden jolt from a pothole or a sharp turn can cause the truck to tilt dangerously and overturn in an instant. In logging areas, circular saw machines roar as they prepare to take down massive trees in seconds. Their razor-sharp blades spin at thousands of revolutions per minute, slicing deep into the trunk with precision. The sound of cracking wood blends with the engine's roar, forming a powerful symphony of human ingenuity and nature. Once a tree is felled, the next step is limb trimming to refine the log into a clean material. Mechanical arms equipped with smaller saw blades swiftly remove excess branches, cutting each knot with precision. Hydraulic systems allow these robotic arms to move flexibly, trimming at a speed far beyond human capability. Within minutes, the tree is stripped down and ready for the next stage. Saw blades spin rapidly, slicing through it effortlessly like a knife through butter, leaving behind clean, sharp cuts. Each section log is neatly stacked, ready for further processing. And notifications so you won't miss the next adventure. See you soon.